Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am going to be trying out this product here, which on the packaging it does not say what it is. But I did find this online and it's the L'Oreal Brilliant Signature Shiny Lip Stain, which sounds really interesting. Like, how can a lip stain be shiny? I got this from Target as part of my recent Target makeup haul, which is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. And this cost $9.99 at Target, I believe I paid, but then the price varies at different retailers. It does come in quite a few shades, which is very fun. And it sounds very unique. It says glossy, high shine finish of a lip gloss, lasting wear of a lip stain, and a bold color impact of a liquid lipstick. Very cool. I'm very intrigued. So the shade that I have here is 302 Be Outstanding. And so let's see what the applicator looks like. Ooh, is it hollow? Maybe? Angled, kind of pointy applicator, which looks great. Oh, and this does have a nice smell to it. A little sweet, kind of like a fruity, sweet smell. Nothing too strong, but I just love when my lip products have a nice smell to them. Okay, let's start out with a swatch. Ooh. That is like pigmented, but still a little sheer. It really does kind of look like a lip stain, but then it has like shine on top of it. Basically like a lip stain with a lip gloss on top. Wow, exactly what it claimed. And this is a nice shade. Hopefully it'll look good on me. Let's go ahead and find out. Wow, it's very thin, very lightweight, and it has like a slightly cool like temperature kind of when you apply it. I noticed it on my hand and I feel it on my lips, which is kind of nice. Wow, it's a very kind of like balmy texture. Not what I was expecting when I rubbed my lips together, for it to be so like, yeah, like a lip balm feel, because it is so thin. I didn't think it had enough of like a lip balm feel, but it almost feels thick on the lips. It is very interesting and different. I feel like the shade on my lips looks very different from how it looks in the packaging here. In the packaging, it's almost like a light sparkly, like it has sparkles in it. Light mauve shade. Or not light, but like medium. On my lips, this is like a more red berry shade, darker, with no sparkle. But it definitely does have that shine. And the pigment, it's pretty good. Like, it's pretty much full pigment. Like full opaque color. And very moisturizing, hydrating, comfortable on the lips. It really does look like a lip gloss on top of maybe more like a bullet lipstick, more like a classic lipstick with a lip gloss on top is kind of what it's looking like and feeling like. It's really cool, really pretty. And I do kind of like the color on me. I think it is flattering. It's a little bit more bold, a little darker than I thought I was getting, but I do still like it. I now am so curious to see what the transfer is going to be like. There is barely any transfer. The way it feels, like how it's got that thick balm feel and it's so shiny, I was expecting a full kiss mark. I was expecting so much transfer. There is like barely any transfer and it is still looking shiny. Wow. This is like magic to me. This is like blowing my mind. So different. The texture is So nice. Like the kiss marks on my hand have a little bit of shine to them, almost like like a lip gloss kiss mark, but yet there is still shine on my lips. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I don't even know how this is even possible. Wow. It's like, yeah, a lip stain, a lip balm, a lip gloss, a lipstick. That's long lasting. Like, this is a dream come true, but I didn't even think to dream this because it seems so unachievable. Oh my gosh, I am clearly like so blown away right now. I was not expecting this, and I keep looking at my lips in the mirror because it's so flattering. That shine, the color, how hydrated it makes the lips. Oh my gosh. And then the fact that there is barely any transfer and it's going to be long lasting. I absolutely love this. Wow. And I love that it comes in a bunch of shades. So I really do want this in other shades. If you've tried this, let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. And if you've tried it in any other shades that you like, let me know what you would recommend. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.